Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write your subject line for your emails. Depending on the type of email that you're going to write, the choice of words that you will need to use for the subject line will be different. Here in this video, I will show you a few types of subject lines accordingly. The first type of subject lines are meant for the welcome email. These are some examples of subject lines for welcome emails. As you see here, these subject lines had a common element. They use words like welcome or first, and those words would be the key. And if you're offering them a free report or freebies when they opt into your list, use the third subject line stated here. The second type of email is scarcity email. When you are writing scarcity emails, the choice of words in terms of time and amount of your item is the key in writing the subject line. You can see there are a few subject lines for scarcity email here, and they usually put in limitations in time, such as 24-hour sales or limitations in terms of the amount of the item. For instance, only 50 copies are available. Moving on, the third type of email is promo email. Promo email is different from the first two types of emails. Promo email is the introduction of the product you are promoting, whether it's your own product or other people's products. In this email, the subject line is essential because it decides whether your email will be opened and read or deleted. The subject line for promo email must stir up the curiosity of the subscribers. Make them feel that they must open the email to read the content. Here are a few examples to show you how a subject line for promo emails should be like. Next, a reminder email obviously is to remind them about your product or your newsletter. Therefore, the keyword in writing the subject line for reminder email is putting up the name of your product. As you can see here, these are a few examples of subject lines. And then the fifth type of email is last call email. The last call email is a bit similar to the reminder email. The only difference is the last call email needs to stir up the sense of urgency. You will announce that the launch of the product is coming to the end. If the subscribers are still interested, they will need to buy now. We've come to the final type of email, which is the content email. Content email is playing the role of telling a story as a testimonial for the subscribers. When you come to writing the subject line for your content email, think about it as if you are choosing a title for your story. And make it your subject line. For instance, as you can see here. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.